Okay, you guys, there's more free money in Coinbase. Once you've logged into your Coinbase account, you're just going to go to Earn Rewards. If you haven't created a Coinbase wallet, it's a Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, hop on down into the description. I've got a bunch of links there, step by step on how to get into this and create it. It is free. You're going to go to Earn Rewards, and in the previous video I showed you can make about $34, and there's another $6 available right now, as well as in the band asset and also the NU asset. So we're going to go over to the portfolio, and I'm going to scroll down and show you that I do have some in the band already, a little bit of money. So this is going to be increased when I watch these videos, and then we're going to go down to NU. New cipher, and you're gonna see this is at a 0. So I'm gonna pause this video, and then I'm gonna come back and show you after I'm done watching these videos. Okay, so I finished watching the video. I couldn't do the NU, the new cipher videos. They've put me on a watch list for this for some reason, but I did do the band. You can see these 3 videos were done. It took about 3 minutes to do. Very quick. Let's go into the portfolio, and you can see that the portfolio balance has increased. We'll go down to band here, right here, and you can see it's increased as well. So free money, quick. It didn't take very long to do. Now let's get into why we'd want to do this. So in the CFX, we'll just log in here. Okay, so we're on the main dashboard here, and you can see that we are on the 300 pack, the very first base pack. So we've invested $300, and now I've shown you a way to get some free money, about $40 in Coinbase. If you go in here, open up an account, go to your Earn Rewards, watch the videos, it's going to be around $35 to $40 you're going to get in this balance, and then now you can just reallocate things as we go down on daily support levels. Now I show people where to do this. I've created a CFX/crypto group that you can join once you do purchase your 300 your initial base 300 pack. So investing $300, you're gaining about $35 to $40 free to be able to start moving around and start increasing more. Now why we want to do this is because if we go into the trading pool here, I'm just going to show you realistically, you're making about 1% with that $300 that you've invested. Okay, so it's not going to be very much in the first few packs here. This is why I'm doing the Coinbase portfolio, showing you how to get free money and making that money work for you to be able to upgrade this faster. So realistically, you're looking at around $10, $11 per week. Now, you're not going to be able to withdraw anything until this reaches, your balance reaches $100. So on your base pack of 300, it is going to take you a little while to do that. That's why I'm showing you the Coinbase, and that's also why I've created a group to show where to move the money to that has the greater chance of increasing faster, so that you can upgrade. And we'll show you, we'll upgrade here to the 500, and then to the 1K, and then to the 2000. So the first little bit is going to take a few months, and then you get into the 2000 pack, and you can start withdrawing $100 approximately every week and a half. So let's just pull up the calculator here, and on 1400, which is what's going to be in the trading pool, times averaging 1% is about $14 a day. Times that by 5, you're looking at $70 a week. So roughly a week and a half, you'll be able to withdraw into the Coinbase, move the money around so that the money's working for you to be able to increase to the next stage here on your initial $300 package. So not too bad here. I'm going to show you, I've got about 40 assets already marked up for the cryptocurrencies. And you can see here I've transferred from BCH. I did have 100% in my last video, 100% allocated to BCH, but I have transferred money around here when it hits daily support levels, and that's why I've created the group. I've got this already marked out, and I've got alerts set up, and then I'll just post in the group when I'm transferring money or adding money in. So very little money if I do add money in, and I don't have one asset that's larger than the other ones to be able to just move the money, then I'll just add 10 bucks in. Like I said, we don't need much. This is going to get up to 300 before I upgrade to the next package. That way I'm only spending taking out 210 out of this balance, and I'm still left with about $80-90 to have working for me as well. So that's how I'm playing this, and I hope you guys like the video and enjoy it. If you're interested, I'll put a step-by-step guide in the description, and you can sign up to Cash Effects, start your Coinbase portfolio, and then join the group and get rolling with it. So as long as the Cash Effects website's up and running, we're going to continue to do it like this, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.